If you're looking to improve your Google ranking, conducting regular site audits is one of the most effective ways to make that happen. A site audit helps identify problems on your website that are affecting its performance, and fixing those issues can lead to better rankings on Google. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use site audits to improve your ranking. First off, what is a site audit? Simply put, it's a comprehensive check of your website to assess its technical health, user experience, and SEO performance. A site audit identifies issues like broken links, slow load times, mobile responsiveness, and missing meta tags, all of which can harm your Google ranking. So, how do you conduct one? The easiest way is to use site audit tools. I've tried the most popular ones, and in the description below, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial to the one I recommend if you want to follow along. This tool will help you dive into your website structure, identify red flags, and give you actionable insights to fix them. Let's break down what you need to focus on during your site audit. Start by checking for technical issues. Make sure there are no broken links or 404 errors, as these can hurt your site's credibility with Google. A good site audit tool will crawl your site and list these issues for you. Next, check the load time of your pages. Google values speed, and slow websites tend to get penalized in search rankings. If your pages take more than a few seconds to load, you need to optimize images, reduce unnecessary scripts, or switch to a faster hosting provider. Another key area to focus on is mobile friendliness. More people are using mobile devices to browse the web, and Google now prioritizes mobile-first indexing. So, if your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're likely missing out on ranking opportunities. Run a mobile friendliness test in your audit tool and address any issues that come up. Next, look at your on-page SEO. Your audit tool should tell you whether your meta titles, descriptions, and header tags are optimized for relevant keywords. Keywords should be naturally incorporated into these areas, but don't stuff them in. You want to make sure your pages are easy for both users and search engines to understand. Don't overlook the content quality. Google values high-quality, original content. Run your audit to see if you have enough keyword-rich content and if it's performing well in terms of engagement. If you're not seeing results, it may be time to tweak your content or add new, more valuable pages to your site. Finally, track your backlink profile. A strong backlink profile can boost your Google ranking, so it's crucial to monitor where your links are coming from. Your audit tool will provide a list of external links and help you identify any toxic or low-quality links that may be harming your ranking. Disavowing bad links is essential for keeping your site's reputation in check. Now you know how to use a site audit to boost your Google ranking. The main takeaway is that regularly running audits and acting on the findings can drastically improve your website's performance and visibility. To recap, a site audit checks for technical issues, load speed, mobile friendliness, on-page SEO, content quality, and backlinks. By addressing these areas, you'll be on the path to improving your Google ranking. Before I close off, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the tool I recommend in the description below if you want to follow along with this tutorial. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, happy auditing, and good luck with your Google ranking.